Hi guys, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to design the purchase page look like this. In this class, we continue the purchase.php page. Here, when the user come to enter the product code on this text box like this, the relevant product name and price will be displayed on these text boxes. Okay, that is the thing I am going to teach today. Once display the product name and price, the cursor will be focused on the quantity, how many quantity they need. Just enter the quantity and the amount will be automatically displayed here. After that, if you click add button, all the details will be added below here. Okay, below these tables. Let's see the demo here. Let's select the vendor name here. If you enter the product name correctly, here product name and price will be displayed successfully, and focus on the quantity. Cursor will focus on the quantity drop down box. Here how much quantity you need. Here price will, or the amount will be automatically here displayed. If you click add button, at the below you can see all the information about the product here. Okay, if you want to delete, if you click the delete button, you can delete the items here. Okay, that is the stuff I am going to teach. Okay, let's move into our codes part. Here script. Go to script here, jQuery script. Let me remove all the stuff here. Right. Now here script open and script close. Here what I am going to do is here I am going to create the variable as var this new equal to. What is the meaning of this variable? I explained in my previous tutorials. Now what I am going to do is here, after that I am going to create the function which is a get product code. This function indicate when the user come and enter the product code here, if the product code is available, the relevant product name and price will be displayed on the next text boxes. Look like this. This is the thing we have to do here. So that this is the function we wrote for that. Get function mean get product code. Okay. First we have to get the inside the product code, get product code function. What I am going to do is, when the user enter the product code, the relevant product name and price will be displayed. So here what I am going to do is here I am going to use the keyup function. Keyup function what does is, when the user enter the value, the ID matching value will be displayed over here. Once ID is match, which ID is match the data, that will be displayed here. Okay. So first I am going to write the text box name. We have to give. What is the text box name? This is the text box. This is the product code text box name. We just copy this one. So come to the function. Here inside the function, first we have to write the text box name here. Right, this is the text box name. This is the product code text box name here. This one dot. I'm going to write the function as keyup function. This is a keyup function. Keyup function we have to write like this. Right. Now here I'm going to close it. Right. Now right. So we have to write. After that, inside the function I'm going to write the Ajax code. So first I'm going to write checks Okay, now inside the Ajax function I'm going to write the code. Now here in Ajax function it consists of 4 types. One is a type. It consists of 4 types. First one is a type. Type means you have to use post type. After that URL, the page URL you have to write here. After that you have to write the data type. That will be the essential one. Data type. Data type mean that's a JSON format. After that you have to write the data. Data you have to write as a within that bracket you have to write the create the variable as product code. Here you have to assign the, you have to put the relevant text box. This is the text box, so you have to write like this. Simply you have to write just copy this one, dot val. Right, that's it. That's the only thing you have to write here. Okay, right. Now you have to write the success function for Ajax. If it is all above all are correct, the success message will be displayed. So you have to write data. If it is anything failure, here you have to write the error function. You have to write. Now first I'm going to create the URL over here. So it is goes to the product table here, product table. So we have to go to the product, this one, brand. Here this is the URL. We have to copy this one and change it. It's very easy enough. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is it goes to the form, which is a product form, and get product.php. Right. Here what does is, when the user enter the product code on this text box, what happen is, this is the text box name I wrote here. So this text what I wrote here is, what is the user enter the product code here, enter is, it is assigned to the variable product code. Okay, this product code is goes to the URL, this URL. Okay, so the product code is go through, the data will be go through along with this URL. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is here, I'm go to the select the folder, product folder, and right click and new file. Here I'm going to create the file as get product.php. Right, that's the only thing we have to do. Here the same thing we have, what I'm going to do is here, all product.php is all code I'm going to copy, Ctrl C to copy. Here double click and open the get product.php and Ctrl V to paste that same code. Here we have to change a little bit. Here what I'm going to do is here, the ID is coming from in this page. When the user enter the product code on that text box, the matching data will be available in the this form. Which form? Product get product.php form. So when the ID is, what is the ID user enter here is, it's passing to the, assigned to the variable product code, is go through this URL. So the product code will be receiving this page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to here bind data here, I'm going to write this, what I'm going to write is here, I wrote here, I'm going to select all the data here, product table, all the data I'm going to select. From which table? Product table. Here you have to write another important stuff is where barcode equal into this, because here what I am going to do is here I am going to give the barcode ID. If the barcode ID is matched, the relevant information will be displayed. Okay, the barcode ID will be matched. So the barcode code will be available on this table, the product table. The barcode code will be available. This product table here, there will be the column barcode. So here I am going to write where barcode this one. So here what I am going to do is here I am going to write the query as like this. I am going to write as first create a variable as barcode. This bar I am going to create a variable as barcode equal simple. I am going to write here I am going to write the receiving that product code in this page. Here this one I am going to receiving here, so that Control-C copy this one here, put receiving. It is set into the variable barcode is here. After that I am going to set as a bind param. So statement param, okay, bind param is coming here 1s string. After that we have to pass in this variable. Right, here what happen is here only question mark I put here, so the matching will value will be this one. When the value is receiving this page, when the user enter the barcode, it is assigned to the variable this variable is goes to this URL. Here that particular value will be receiving this page get product.php and put into passing to the variable barcode. Here this barcode I am assigning, I have to get here. It's automatically go and set here one question mark. So what is ID come from here is it will be automatically it's go and search in this barcode. The matching data will be displayed. Okay, so if your easy thing is you just copy this one. If you have any doubt, you just copy this one and go to the your select your database table. Database, here you have to select this one. This is the product table. You have to check. Here what I am going to do is here the same query. Here this is the only barcode ID available. There will be the 5-3. So we will check. You have to check here. Here you have to put this 3. Is coming this one also. When the user enter this barcode, what happen is here go here all the information will be displayed successful. That is the thing we have to do. The code is working successfully. Now what I am going to do is here let's back to our all the code will be here, the data will be working here. After that I am going to set as a result here if the matching value will be stored in these variables. Bind result, this is the result bind variable. If it is above all queries are correct, all the matching data will be, this data will be storing these variables. After that this is the data output. Okay, this output we have to set as a JSON format, key and value. So it will be, it is this output will be passing to this purchase.php within this function, success function. Now all are correct. So let me check whether it's all the things are correct. So you have to use all the data is passing correct or not. You have to check like this. This is the query console.log data. You can check the jQuery. You have to use this one in Ajax. Now you can, what I am going to do is I am going to check it whether it's working or not. Now that will be the that is the problem. Now there is no problem. Now okay, let's enter the barcode here. Now here the data will be successfully receiving this page. Okay, if you enter the correct barcode, the data will be successfully assigning this page. Okay, so that we just check purpose, we have to put console.log whether the data is passing correct or not. Is passing correct. Now what I am going to do is I am going to give the particular text boxes where we are going to display the particular result. Okay, that is very easy stuff. The data will be coming fine. So I am going to display on these text boxes. Which text boxes? Pro name, these text boxes, and price text box. Okay, these two text boxes we are going to display the result. Product matching product code will be the matching product codes matching value will be display this product name and product these text boxes. So let me write below as same thing you have to write here. We just copy this one, Control C copy here. Val, inside the val we have to write as a data 0 dot this value. Which value? We have to get only product name and retail price. Okay, not cost price, retail price. Retail price means selling price, cost price means buying price. Okay, understand the difference. Okay, here product name, first one is the product name. After that we have to write as a price. So copy, Control V to paste here. You have to write as a price. Sorry, price. We have to first check this. Okay, this is the name of the text box. This text box name, pro name. This text box name is price. You have to check here that all the names are correct. So here you have to call it as a pro name. This is text box name. This is coming from the which table, which page, product.php page, this value. After that retail price, this is coming from here. It's setting as a here. The price mean that is a text box name, the price text box name. Okay, we have to pass it, right? Finally, if the name and price will be successfully passing or not, we let it check. Okay, once you save and let me check whether it is coming correct or not. Okay, right. If the user enter the wrong ID, nothing will be displayed. If it is enter the correct ID, here data will be displayed successfully. Here you notice the data will be successfully, but here it's not focusing on the cursor is not focusing on the quantity drop down box. So that is not efficient way to write the program. Once the user enter the correct product code, the product name and price will be displayed. After that the cursor will be focused on the quantity drop down box. That is the efficient way to write the program. So what I am going to do is here we have to write the quantity text box name here below, right? Here we have to change it as a quantity. This text box, the drop down name is quantity. Dot, there will be the function you have to write as focus. You have to write as a focus. Easily you have to write focus. That's the only thing you have to do. Focus means where you are going to focus. So this quantity drop down box name is quantity. Now let me check whether it's working correct or not. Here if we enter the correct, here is focus on the quantity text box. Here let me check again here. Right, now what I am going to do is here if I select the quantity, the automatically the price will be displayed over here. It will be multiply price plus price and quantity multiply, and the amount will be displayed in this text box. Okay, so how to do the task? Okay, let's do the task. Very easy way. So let's back to our tutorial. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, let's remove the spaces. Okay, it's a simple query. Simple one. I'm going to write another function which is just some function. I'm going to write function here. I'm going to write as a right. Now what I'm going to do is here, close it. Here I'm going to write first $. Here I'm going to multiply these two values. What is the result here is this result and this result to some multiply and display this text box. That is the thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to write the first two text box name. What is the name of this one? Price and quantity. So we have to write here. So price comma quantity. We have to write price comma quantity. Right. So we have to put this. Okay. What right? Now then one. Here we have to write three things. One is key down. I have to write the events. Key up. All the events I am going to write click. What the meaning by this is, when the user able to click, it will be, the price will be here display. If you enter also, price will be automatically display. When the user click also, price will be automatically display. If you click this one also, price will be display. That's why I wrote here, there will be the three things here. Okay. Events, key down, key up and click. These are the called as events. Okay. Comma quantity. Here I am going to write the function quantity. I am going to write below this function. Right. Now let's write. Here I am going to write that one. Function. I am going to write the function quantity. Here what I am going to write is, I am simply create as a variable sum equal. I am going to write the brackets, two brackets. Here within the bracket we have to write the code as number. Here I have to write a $. Again we have to within the bracket we have to write the text boxes. First one will be the price dot well, right. That's the only thing we have to do. We have to copy this one. Just copy this one. Copy here. In between this, you have to put the multiplies symbol. After that, you have to paste here. Right. Here you have to put as a quantity. Okay. This is the text box. This text box and this text box. These are we are going to multiply. So we have to write this one. So number this. Okay. After that, that's the only thing we have to do. After that, we have to close it. So if everything are correct, we have to check whether everything are correct. Right. Now we have to close the bracket. This bracket we have to close. This bracket I haven't closed it, so we have to close this bracket. So we have closed it. Now we have to close it right like this. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to display the final output is this text box. First we have to get the text. What is the text box name? We have to display the values. This text box top cost. This is the text box. We have to display the values. So let's copy the name of that text box. So we have to write here. So we have to write the text box name here. Dot well. Here we have to get the sum function. That's the only thing we have to do. Okay, let's check whether it is working or not. Let's check whether it is working or not. So let's save all. So right now let's enter the product code. Something error, like right click impact. What is the error? We have to check. You just click on this. Error is coming here. something error. So let's check the error, what is that happening in these lines. So let's remove this one. I additionally put one thing, I think. So let's check it. Right, now let's the product, right, will be displayed here. The amount will be displayed successfully here. If you click this button, it will be automatically, the price will be displayed. Otherwise, if you type the quantity, the amount will be displayed like this. Okay, that's why I have write the things like this. I have to call all the events, click, key up and down. Okay, here once you complete the function, you have to call above. You just copy this one, Control C to copy and Control V to paste above. Then only the product code will be displayed here. Okay, here if you not write here, then what happen is here above. If you okay, it will be won't display the price over here. So you must write the you must call this method above. You just copy this one and call here. When the form is loaded, this function will be loaded. So this result will be displayed. When the form is loaded, the function will be loaded. Once you enter the product code on this text box, the relevant data will be displayed here. Once you enter the product quantity here, you automatically display the price. Okay. Here, if you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.